In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create sales funnel on Shopify. Before we start, it helps to know what you are about to do. Your Shopify store has an admin dashboard where you manage your products, settings, and apps. To build a sales funnel, you typically rely on a funnel or checkout-related app because it helps you connect pages, offers, and purchases in a streamlined flow. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to your Shopify admin dashboard. When you are already logged into Shopify, you will usually see an interface with a sidebar on the left. Take a moment to make sure you are in the main admin area, not in a storefront preview. The admin dashboard is where you will find all the tools needed to install and configure applications. If you are unsure, look for the word admin in your browser tab or navigation area, and then continue. Once you are in the Shopify admin dashboard, you will look for the Apps section. This is where Shopify manages third-party tools. In the left-hand menu or in a navigation bar, there should be a menu item that says something like Apps. Click that area to open the App Marketplace and Settings page. This step matters because funnel builders and checkout page tools are almost always installed through the Apps area, rather than being created from scratch inside Shopify alone. After you open Apps, the next step is to search for the app name. In the instructions, we are told to search for Reconvert, or alternatively Zipify pages. On the Apps page, you will see a search field or search option. Click into the search bar, then type Reconvert. Matching results will appear as you type. Look closely at the app name so you select the correct one. Reconvert is commonly used for post-purchase flows, while Zipify pages is commonly used for building pages for funnels. Your choice depends on the funnel style you want, but either way, the installation process begins with finding the app in the marketplace. Once you have entered the correct name in the search field, you should see the app listing in the results. Now click the app you want to install. You may see details like the developer, a short description, or the rating. Take a brief second to confirm the name is accurate. This prevents you from installing a similar-looking app by accident. Next, click Install. This is the key action that adds the app to your Shopify store. After you click Install, Shopify may display a confirmation screen. This is normal. It may ask you to review permissions or confirm that the app can access certain parts of your store. Since the goal here is to create a sales funnel, the app will generally need permission to set up pages, manage checkout-related functionality, or display settings. Read the prompt carefully, then proceed by confirming the installation if everything looks correct. After installation completes, the app will usually appear somewhere within your Shopify admin under Apps, or it may open into an onboarding or setup screen. At this point, you have successfully added the tool you need to build your funnel. If you see a welcome screen or setup steps inside the app itself, you can follow the app guidance from there, since it will connect your pages and flows properly. If you installed Reconvert, you would typically move toward post-purchase funnel elements. If you installed Zipify pages, you would typically move toward creating landing pages and funnel page templates. Either way, the installation step you just completed is the foundation. Without installing the app, you cannot build the funnel experience. That covers everything you need to know for this part of the process, and that is all there is to it.